Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to a Sketchup Guru channel guys, and in this tutorial you can see this what we are going to talk about here. This is the simple model of a cluster of cubes and same model that has been transformed using some plugins guys. So here we will talk about which plugin we will use to transform this simple to that complex one. Okay, so this plugin are basically free of cost. Okay, so that plugin name is FFD. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon button for latest update guys. So let's start. So every cube must be in a single form, and then you have to make it in a group just like that. Okay, now we will use a FFD plugin. So here you can see this is called a JHS Power War. You can use it. This is a free of tool, and this toolbar comprises lots of useful plugin. Here you can see this is the FFD tool that we will use here. So first we have to make it a group guys, and then right click here, and then what we will do, we will select this option FFD and then click over here n by n FFD. And what I am going to do now, I will define the width, depth and height. 5 is to 5 is to 5. Okay, and here subdivide will be true. We not need to click over false. So here we will use a true option, so that plugin will divide it in a subdivision. Okay, then you have to click OK. After clicking OK, you can see that all models are just subdivided in a 5 by 5 by 5 ratio. Okay, now what you'll have to do guys, you have to click over here at this point, double click. Okay, just like that. Okay, now you are inside this dot. Okay, now what we will do, I will select upper portion of the dot line and then press S and then press Ctrl to transform a scale it at the center of this model, just like that guys. Now you can see this is transformed very uniquely. Then again you have to select the bottom of the dot line dots and then press L, then press Ctrl to scale at the center of this model. Again you have to do like that. And if you want to make it little bit transformation of this cube, again we will select all the dot between this model and then press again S, press K to visible the all strings. Okay, and press Ctrl, then press again K to hide the, and then going to shrink like that. So this is the method to transform any models like that. You can create anything with this technique guys. Your model must be in a group. Okay, and you can create anything. You can transform anything, any simple model to complex one. Okay, so this plugin is very useful. If you want to use it, you can use it. I will give you the link in the description guys. And what's your opinion about this tutorial, this plugin? Have you ever used before? And this is a new trick or not for you? Please comment in the comment section guys, and see you in the next tutorial with some cool tips and tricks guys. Thanks for watching. Have fun.